this video, I'll be talking about how to deal with ADHD when you're undergoing treatment for breast cancer. ADHD is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and it can be characterized by several different things, including problems paying attention, problems sitting still, impulsivity, and lack of organization. All of these things can lead to low self-esteem. If you've been diagnosed with ADHD, here are some tips that might help you get through breast cancer and its treatment. Number one, practice incredible self-compassion. Even for people without ADHD, the whole thing, all the appointments you go through, all the information you get can make people feel incredibly overwhelmed. Throw in the fact that your brain works a little differently, and of course it's going to be topsy-turvy. You probably already have strategies for managing a lot of information and a lot of competing demands on your time and attention, but this is a particularly important time to take good care of yourself. Here are some strategies. Keep your records really well organized. This can be, for all those people who are saying, what can I do to help? You could say, this would be something to help with. I recommend that you get a binder, a 3-ring binder, and divide it into different sections. Test results, questions to ask the doctor, things people send me in an attempt to be helpful. And the fourth one is all the notes from the doctor. You could keep the notes and the test results together if you want. It's also a good idea to have a calendar of your appointments coming up. Even if you use your phone for your calendar, it's not a bad idea to have it all written out in front of you. And this is something that your friends and family and your social worker who's in your doctor's office can help with. The other thing to do is think carefully about who you want to bring to your appointment and consider having them take notes. Your medical team may also be comfortable with you recording your sessions, particularly if you tell them why. Tell them that you have issues with attention and that it really helps you to be able to have an auditory as well as a written record about what went on during your doctor appointment. Another thing that can be really helpful during cancer treatment is to keep your finances really well organized. It's so easy for us to fall behind, lose track on what copays we've made or haven't made, and to plan our finances in advance. Keeping a special section in your 3-ring binder for your finances can be really helpful. This is something else somebody could help you with. There are all sorts of accounting programs. Something as simple as an Excel spreadsheet could be helpful, but you don't have to do this alone. This is where your friends can help you organize, family members can help you organize. In terms of keeping up with the rest of your normal life when you're going through breast cancer and its treatment, ask for help, write down your questions, journal. Consider writing down how you're feeling. If you're feeling really scattered, what's helped you in the past? Get more focused. One thing that can be really helpful is to make sure you're getting enough sleep. And even though it might be tempting to calm yourself down, the restlessness down, with alcohol or drugs that are sedating, consider not doing that. People with ADHD are at higher risk of both alcohol and drug misuse. And although this might seem like a time where it would be okay, I would recommend that you not use alcohol or other substances to cope with everything that you're going through, unless you talk about this with your medical team or a specialist who can help you. Make sure that these drugs don't become yet another problem, alcohol being a drug. I'm hoping this is helpful for you. If it is, click like and subscribe. Liking will help other people who are going through the same thing find this video. Subscribing will help you find this other videos that we put out, and we're always putting out new content. You can drop a comment or question below, share tips that have been really helpful for you. Follow us on Instagram. And if you are interested in knowing what treatment options might be available for you, visit Yerbba.com for your personalized report. This is another way to see all the things that have gone on in your diagnosis and treatment and the things that might be coming up, all organized in one place.